sun. Some stars have been found to be 250 times bigger than our own sun. Those are gigantic. Well, our sun is burning in fusion hydrogen, making helium, and then eventually that hydrogen is going to run out, so it'll make other elements up to iron. It'll expand in size, become what's known as a red giant. Ultimately, though, it'll explode. Boom, we get a supernova, the most massive explosion in the galaxy. Supernovas are really bright, really quick, and they release more energy in an instant that our sun will release in its entire lifetime. They lose a lot of the mass, too. What's left, though, will collapse in on itself from gravity, and that's what you're left with. Pretty much what the picture showed, that constellation of satellites, and what we're looking at really are gases and light on the edge of the black hole, surrounding it, defining it, because they're so dense, light can't even escape. In fact, the symmetry of the black hole, which was also confirmed, this is something that Albert Einstein predicted would happen decades ago. So in a nutshell, start a black hole, and that's what we've got. Topper, back to you.
Okay, I'm going to let you finish, but I want to point something out.
Okay.
The scientist who developed the algorithm that got those satellites to work together to get the picture of that black hole is Katie Bowman. And she built it 3 years ago. She was a grad student at MIT. You know, I couldn't let this story go by without saying her name. So, there.
Well, a couple things. That's why we support STEM. And also, you know, I have 3 daughters. That's why our mantra was girls rule, boys drool. Yeah, exactly. Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, here we go. Let's talk about the bus stop forecast. All right, it'll be a little bit colder tomorrow. Winds will be in check. Really not too bad, especially for April. This isn't bad at all. So we're looking at temperatures to start anyway, even in downtown, right around 50, maybe even in the 40s in the burbs. And then by the time we get into the noon hour, 50s. And then by the time the kids come home, it will be in the 60s. So, you know, that's about average. It's a little bit cooler than it's been, but that's average for this time of year. So that is a good thing. All right, now let's talk about satellite picture radar combined. This is a monster blizzard, and this is really interesting because this is a severe thunderstorm watch right on the edge of the heavy snow, and that's what happens with spring storms, how dynamic they are and how close the winter weather is to the severe weather. And we're talking in the Plain States over the next 12 to 18 hours, anywhere from 12 to 18 inches of snow, especially in southeastern South Dakota and even in parts of Minnesota, although the Twin Cities will kind of go back and forth between snow and sleet and then back to snow. Denver has a little bit of snow. That's the first storm. Denver's going to get more snow Friday into Saturday. For us, just some high-level clouds. We're in pretty good shape tonight. Next 5 days. Well, again, tomorrow will feel cooler, 66, but that's average. And then 70 on Friday. But then in the upper 70s Saturday and Sunday. I'm kind of concerned about this, mentioned this last night. Now that we're in the warm sector on Sunday, that could lead to big storms. Late Sunday and Sunday night, back to about 70 on Monday. So we'll keep a close eye on that. In the meantime, we'll talk about Friday. So let's advance this to Friday morning. A lot of clouds. Morning commute's probably going to be okay Friday morning. Yellow weather alert goes into effect in the afternoon. Here comes some showers, albeit light. And then by Friday evening, the evening commute looks wet, and date night looks with a lot of showers as well. So just sort of keep that in mind. Even as we get into late Friday night, still have some pretty good showers, maybe a few thunderstorms, strong southerly flow, be kind of windy and mild, and some of those storms could actually linger into early Saturday morning. Okay. Headlines. Well, a chilly start tomorrow and kind of a cool finish on Thursday with the light winds. Winds will be in check. Yellow weather alert Friday afternoon for showers and storms. Warmer over the weekend. Morning showers on Saturday, possibly big storms late Sunday and Sunday night. Tomorrow morning, 43 Gaithersburg to start, 49 downtown, 44 in Manassas. So a chilly start and a cool finish, but a quiet Thursday, 66. 70 on Friday, yellow weather alert in the afternoon. And then Saturday, maybe some morning showers early, upper 70s. We're not going to issue a yellow weather alert right now for Saturday. Sunday, again, maybe storms late and Sunday night. Upper 70s near 80. 70 on Monday, morning showers. Nice on Tuesday, and nice next Wednesday with highs back into the mid-70s.
All right, the Nats are doing it.
Yeah, they are doing it. Like the Phillies were here when they played at Nats Park.
Yeah.
And everybody was like, oh no, this Philly team's good. They got Bryce Harper. Like I always say, payback is a shut your mouth. Wait until you see what the Nats did to Phillies tonight.
I love what we get to do every day. I like to think of it as soul food. It sort of fills the places you didn't know that you needed to give some goodness. I think goodness grows.
Okay, I'm here with Crystal Coons at the #1 selling Ford dealer. And Crystal,